Hello, hi everyone. Belated Happy New Year to all of you, and I wish you all had a great New Year. And I believe you already had made your New Year resolution. It could be like learning a language, reading a book, getting into your dream college, or going to the gym. I hope you completed throughout the year. So today we will gonna learn about what are different typing systems exist and what a typing system is. So if you have seen any kind of programming language, then you have seen like there are some primitive type of data structure defined like string, int or boolean, similarly like data class. So these are called type, and again like based on these types there is a functionality which each programming language follows. So in terms of typing system, it is classified into three categories. The first one is nominal typing. Second one is structural typing. Third one is duck typing. So first we will start with the nominal typing. So here I have created some example for all of you. So we can review it one by one together and you will get an idea how it works in different programming languages. So here we go. In nominal typing, I created two classes. One is for student, another one is for teacher. And after that created two objects, one for student, one for teacher. And within this I used a common name called Rakesh. So after it, if I try to compare the student, the teacher or teacher with the student object, then it comes out to be false. So the primary reason for this is like we have a defined class structure mechanism here. So like for each of the class, they have a different object ID when it is getting created, and its equals definition by default does not allow different object ID to be compared as equals and given true. And if I have to use the name as a parameter, in this case I need to create two different functions to call it like this. So if you run this code within your console for Java, then you will get this comment as a response. So you can try it by yourself and you can check like how this works in Java. Similarly C# and Objective-C, it works like similar way. And the second type we have is structural typing. So for this I again created one student and one teacher class, and here I created three objects, one for student and student 2 with name Rajesh, and the third one is teacher with name Rajesh. And if I try to compare the first two objects, although they are from the same class, but if I compare their type, then it comes out to be false because they have a different object ID assigned to them. And for the third case, if we compare the structure of a student with a teacher, then it comes out to be true because both of them have a common property which is name as a string. And if we try to see if we want to call both of these entities name method or use it in any kind of function, then we can just create a class and make a static function and call it like this. Here you can see example, and this structural typing system is normally found in languages like JavaScript, and it follows a specific type of structure, like name should be of a string type, and the student that we created it is again of a string type, and the parameter which we are passing or about to call, which is name, is again of a string type. So it follows a structural approach how it should follow. Next we comes to duck typing. In duck typings there are no type or structural constraints like nominal or structural typing. In this case, fields and methods are accessed and allowed only at runtime. So for example, here I created a class called student and another class teacher, and I use name Ramesh for both the entities. And if I want to call it again, then I can just call it via a static function, and I get hey Ramesh me Pavish as a response. So what happens in duck typing, it is normally used in JavaScript or similar kind of languages. In this case, again the final structural or type constraints are not getting followed, so therefore you can use it easily and it does not create a constraint on us. And say if we have a property which is not defined and we try to call it, so normally we get an error in a structural or nominal typing, but here we will get undefined as a default option. So that's all for now, folks, and I hope you had a great learning today. So keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you guys. This is Aditya signing off.